In PowerPoint 365, the interface contains multiple toolbars that allow users to access various features. One of the most important elements is the ribbon, which is the area that displays the different tabs users work with. These tabs provide full access to the core functionalities available in PowerPoint. Each tab groups a specific set of commands, making it easier to find the tools needed for creating and editing presentations. Commonly used tabs include Home, Insert, Draw, and Design. These tabs organize commands by category, such as text formatting, adding images or shapes, applying slide designs, and more. If at any point a tab disappears from view, it's possible to bring it back simply by clicking on it again. This helps keep the workspace clean and focused on the task at hand. To change how your slide is displayed while working, go to the View tab. This section allows you to choose how to visualize your slides according to your preference. Whether you prefer to work in normal view, slide sorter, or reading view, these options help improve clarity and organization. Using these display settings can make your presentation process more efficient and visually appealing. Once your adjustments are made, you can return to the original view or switch between layouts as needed. Understanding the interface and how to show or hide tabs effectively is essential for working comfortably and efficiently in PowerPoint 365.